Getting great looking on-brand forms is super easy with Jotform's ChatGPT app. Just tell Chat what you want your form to look like or any changes you want to make, and it does the rest. Whether you want to change the colors, the style, the layout, add a logo, whatever you can imagine, Jotform's ChatGPT app can do. I'll show you how easy it is to design great looking forms with Jotform and ChatGPT. Let's go. The first step to making awesome on-brand forms with Jotform and ChatGPT is to install the Jotform app. So to do that, head over to Apps in your left sidebar. Just search for Jotform, click that. And mine says Start Chat because I have it installed already. If you don't have it installed, this black button here will say Install. Just click that. It'll ask you to sign in with your Jotform account credentials. You do that once, and then it's linked to your ChatGPT account, and you can just use the Jotform app within there whenever you want. So to do that, head over to the left and just click New Chat. So to use it, you want to do a / and then type Jotform or start typing Jotform. And you can either click it or press enter. So I'm going to say for my event feedback form, change it to a professional modern design with a blue theme and sans serif font, and hit enter. So since this is a form that I already have in my Jotform workspace, it's going to find that. So here we go. It has made the changes I wanted. I've got a blue theme, I can tell here. It tells you below the form preview what it's done. So it says here, clean sans serif typography, blue color theme, polished input fields and buttons, business-friendly appearance. Okay, so let's check it out. You can click that link to it here and either copy it or just click open to go to it. It's definitely professional. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's kind of blah, right? It's a little bit, okay. So let's jazz it up a little bit using ChatGPT. So let's say, make it more visually interesting. That's all you have to say. And Jotform and ChatGPT will give you some suggestions. So that's what I mean when I say it's easy. Like, you really don't need any design skills. As long as you can put it into words, ChatGPT and Jotform can make it happen. It says here, design direction I recommend is a large hero header image with blue gradient background, clean white card style form sections, adding some icons for key sections. So if you wanted to only do one or two of those, you could always just copy the one that you want to do and paste it in the chat and say, do that. But actually, I'm just going to say, yeah, do all those changes, please. You don't have to say please, but chat probably likes it. Okay, then it just asks for permission to actually edit the form here. So I'm going to say allow. There we go. So it says it's been updated. It uses a cleaner card style layout with visually distinct sections. So let's check that out. So this card layout it's talking about, it kind of has each section more separated. Same with the sections here with having these darker backgrounds. Like, you can easily tell the section of the form that you're on. So let's head back to chat and do one last thing. I'm just going to say, please make a darker blue gradient background. So this is a really simple update, but it just saves you the time of, one, going into your Jotform workspace and editing it manually, but also of having to go find that gradient background from a website that's royalty free that you can use that background. Then you have to download it and then upload it to Jotform. Here we go. It updated the darker blue gradient background. Let's check that out. Here's our old one. Let's refresh. There we go. Now it might be a little dark. I actually like the design of the previous one better, but this just gives you an idea that you can change it with ChatGPT. You can also change the whole layout of your form. I'll just show you this one last thing as well. So let's just say, optimize the layout of this form for completion. You don't even have to know the specific thing that you want to change. You can just say, optimize it. Okay, so it's telling me here that for highest completion rates, these are the changes I would recommend. Quick rating questions, group relevant questions together, move optional questions to the end. That's a really good one. So I'm going to say, yeah, please apply these. Okay, there we go. It's optimized the form for higher completion rates. Let's check it out. We've changed the whole layout here by just asking it to optimize our form. So users can just click next here. And then we just get into the questions with these nice star ratings, super easy to fill out, and it automatically goes to the next question when someone answers, and shows the progress here at the bottom too, which is a nice touch so people know how much longer they have left approximately. Those are just a few examples of how you can easily customize the visual style of your forms with ChatGPT and the Jotform integration. There are so many more changes you can make, and really the sky is the limit as long as you can type it out or speak it to ChatGPT. Jotform can make it happen in your forms. If you have any questions about how to use the ChatGPT Jotform integration or Jotform forms, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more Jotform tips, and I will see you next time. Bye!